Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, we've had enough time to set. Now we'll see how well it holds. I'm not really sure what it's going to do. I kind of hope it's going to work, but I'm not absolutely certain. Well, it is holding. So we're successful in that. But I'm not able to build up much pressure in it. Yeah, it's successful. I don't know if it'll hold up to 90 pounds, but you're not going to put 90 pounds in an unrestrained tube anyways. The only question I have is, trying to pump that up, I'm having some trouble. The check valve is supposed to keep air in the hose is not functioning. Now there's something in here that looks like it's going to depress the Schrader valve so you can pump air into a tube, and it's the same on both ends, so I don't think it matters which end I put on the pump. But I have a feeling that there's a check valve, and I think it's here on the end of the pump. If I was designing it, I'd put a check valve there. That's where I'd put it, so that the air can come out but not go back. And if that check valve is leaking, there's something going on here. Yeah, I got something on the inside of that. There's a little ball on the inside of that thing. That means that that little ball is supposed to prevent air from coming back into the pump. Take my dental tools and see if I can get in there and remove that ball. Yep, it's just a little ball bearing. Yeah, there's enough gunk in there. Any of that gets in that check valve, it's not working. And this little guy down here kind of gives evidence of how much junk there was in the area. This is worn out leather from the cup. And this hole right here is packed full of it. So anything that sticks underneath that ball makes it so it doesn't seep back down in the little pocket. And it is ineffective as a check valve. Okay. Well, I was going to take this apart, clean it, and paint it anyways. So it looks like this is the time to perform that function.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.